Hello guys, welcome. I often receive comments on my Claude Code usage videos that how to use this in VS Code. So in this video, I will set it up in VS Code that how can we use Claude Code in VS Code. So first we will go to this Chrome, open it. I'll maximize this and here we search for VS Code. Go to this first link. I'll download this. Save. It will take some time. So until that we will come here and we will open code. Hit enter. Go to this first link, go to this Zen, click on login, continue with Google account, select your Google account, continue, and it will create us an open code Zen account. Click on this API keys, generate API key, free Claude Code. Create this. Now we will open a new tab and here I will search for Claude Code Docs. Go to this first link, open this, quick start, go down, and copy this command, come to the search, type PowerShell, open PowerShell and paste the command. Hit enter. Now it will install Claude Code in a bit. So until then we will come to this downloads and open our Visual Studio Code. Now I'll double click on it to open its exe. I accept the agreement, next, create the stop shortcut and next and install. And now it is installing VS Code. Now if I come to PowerShell, then the installation of Claude Code will take some time, so we have to wait while our VS Code is installing. So now you can see our VS Code is installed and as well as our Claude Code is installed. So first we will set up Claude Code for open code. For that I will open Notepad. Because I have some text in Notepad that I will copy in setting.json for Claude. This text, this will be available in the description of the video. I'll copy this. I'll minimize this. I'll minimize this as well and this as well. I'll come to this PC, to C, and to user. HP is my user. You have your own user. Now I'll search here for .claude folder. It is right here. If this is not showing for you, so come to this view, show and hidden items, show hidden items. Now I'll double click on this to open it. I will open this settings.json file. Now it is open in Visual Studio. You can open in any text editor. Paste these lines here. And if there is no comma here at the end of this, so this will show, this line will show error. So put a comma here. Now I'll control S this. Now we will go to our Zen account and we will copy our API key. Now I'll come here again and I'll paste the API key here. Control V. Now I'll control S this to save the file and now I'll close this. So now we will launch our VS Code. So I'll come to this VS Code, launch it. I'll maximize this. I'll close this. Now first we will install here Claude Code extension. So for that I will come to this extensions tab and here I will search for Claude Code. I'll click on this install or I will open it and click install here. I will close this extensions tab and I will close this as well. So you can see here a Claude Code icon here. It will either appear here or here. So I'll click on this to open it. Now I will open a new folder. So for that I will click on this open folder and here I'll select this first project folder because this is empty. Now if I go here, so now you can see here that first project folder is selected. I'll click on this new session and it will open Claude Code here and it will give you three options. Subscribe with Claude Code, use Anthropic console and use Claude in terminal. So you have to select use Claude in terminal. If I send it a hi, so now you can see it is vibing. Hi, how can I help you? What model are you using? So now you can see here it is using Minimax 2.5 free model. Now we'll ask it, create me a complete CRUD operation app in PHP. Use index.html for the main GUI. Now you can see it is writing database.sql, config.php, db.php. And now if I open this Explorer, so now you can see here it has created these files. Now it has done the task, so let's check it. So I'll go to this index.html, reveal in File Explorer. And now if I double click on this to open it in a browser, now you can see here it has created this. So it has created a task manager CRUD operation application. I cannot make entries because we haven't made the database. As you can see, this database, we haven't made this. If we make this in PHP and then make the connection, make some changes to this config.php, then it will work. So in this way, you can use Claude Code in VS Code. So I think that's all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.